A screwdriver.
The screwdriver.
Turn.
Turn it. Okay, okay, get the hammer.
Look at the
Yeah,
wheel.
you gotta work on the wheels. Okay.
Are you gonna wrench it?
No?
I'm doing it.
You gotta drill it. Use your drill on there. So pull the trigger.
I'm gonna pull it.
Oh, gotta pull the trigger.
Let me be glad.
Uh-oh, careful.
Daddy. Hold it.
Pull the trigger. Good job. Okay, did you make it fast now? Oh, that's a wrench. Yeah, better wrench it. Here, wrench right here on this part. Wrench.
I'm fixing our tools.
Fixing it with tools.
They're fixing Herbie.
Wrench. Okay, is it out of the shop yet? Now get your shop towel and wipe it off. So we gotta get a shop towel now. Get our shop towel, wipe it off. All right, now. Okay, now show me how fast it is. Okay, good job. Now show me how fast you made it go. Ready? Whoa! Did you crash it? Crashed it. Now we gotta put it back in the shop. Okay.